Welcome to Love Cars, where we unlock the secrets to maximizing a car's air conditioning efficiency. Maximize car's AC efficiency, tips and tricks. Let's discover why running a car engine at a higher speed optimizes the AC compressor, and learn the best practices for keeping our vehicle cool on hot days. Your vehicle's air conditioning system operates more efficiently when the engine is running at a higher speed, as this enables the AC compressor to function more effectively. Avoid idling your engine before driving, as this wastes fuel and decreases efficiency. Instead, start driving and immediately activate the air conditioning while opening all windows for 10 to 20 seconds. This allows the interior air, which is significantly hotter than the outside air, to escape. Although it may seem counterintuitive, this brief window of open windows actually aids the air conditioning system in cooling the interior more efficiently. To optimize the air conditioning system's performance, set the temperature to its lowest level and adjust the fan accordingly. This approach not only enhances efficiency, but also reduces fuel consumption. Why does this occur? In a typical air conditioning system, the air is cooled to 38 degrees. If you set the temperature higher, you are essentially forcing the system to reheat the cooled air, which requires more energy and fuel. If you are transporting passengers in the back seat, it is advisable to switch off the recirculation mode. This setting circulates air from the front of the cabin and recirculates it through the system, which can cause the air in the back to become stale and hot, even if the front remains cool. If your vehicle features an auto start-stop system, it is recommended that you deactivate it. While this feature reduces fuel consumption, it can prevent the air conditioning compressor from functioning when the engine is turned off in certain vehicles. In very hot weather, the lack of cool air can be noticeable, especially when stopped at a lengthy stoplight or in slow-moving stop-and-go traffic. Make sure to check your cabin air filter to ensure it is clean. A dirty filter will prevent optimal airflow. In newer cars, these filters are relatively easy to inspect. If you observe a significant amount of dirt accumulated on it, replacement is necessary. You can save money by replacing the filter yourself. In many modern cars, the filter is located behind the glove compartment. If your vehicle is equipped with automatic climate control, lowering the temperature will not accelerate cooling. Most systems will automatically adjust fan speed and temperature, allowing you to set it and forget it. Is it reasonable to assume that electric vehicles experience a range penalty when using air conditioning and/or ventilated seats in the summer? Consumer Reports conducted a 4-season test on several electric vehicles to explore the impact of outside temperatures. The results showed that driving on a sunny, humid mid-80s day resulted in the longest range despite using the air conditioner. Therefore, you can stay cool and comfortable without concern. If you find this information valuable, please like and share the video.